Hey guys, it's Will here. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Swiss Army, the Victorinox Explorer Swiss Army knife. Here's the box right here. Where's it at? Here, Explorer in red. Focus. And then, so I got this for Christmas, but I figured I'd do a review on it because it's a really nice knife. So, this has, I think I watched a video and I think it said it had like 14 tools or something like that. So, I'm going to try to set up the camera. Wait, let me see. I have a kickstand on the back of my phone. No, that's way too close to the table. Let's see what I can do. This will probably be too big, but it may work. That'll work, okay. So, first it's got a small blade right here. This is just good for like anything that you don't really need a big blade for. Then it's got a big blade right here. Oh. This is good for just like standard knife stuff, I guess. I don't really know. I love knives, but I'm just not like an expert on it. Next, it has scissors. This thing's kind of hard to like use because it's new. But it's got a magnifying glass. I also got these random like card games for my birthday, for Christmas. And then it's got a screwdriver. And it's got a bottle opener and a can opener. Can opener's in here. It's got those. These can fold all the way out, but I just don't really feel like it because I'm too lazy. Then I've got it's a corkscrew right here. So there's a corkscrew, and then I don't really know what this thing is because like I've heard people say it's a tiny little blade. I've heard people say it's for like sewing, so I don't know. And then this is, if I can get it out. This thing's like super hard to get out. There we go. This is just like a multifunctional hook right here for anything you really need it for. It can bend back to. And I'm pretty sure that's it. And also, please tell me if you know. Please tell me in the comments below what kind of Victorinox knife this is. It's basically just like this one, but it has. But it doesn't have the screwdriver and the magnifying glass. So please tell me what that is so I can make a review on this too. But anyway, so that's all for the video. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.